Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a resistor. So it is a electronic element which is passive in nature. Passive means if you give some external force or energy, then only it will work. Okay, so another thing is it is a two-terminal device or two-terminal element, you can say. Okay, the symbol, if you ask me the symbol of a resistor, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this, terminals A and B. So we will denote with a letter R. Okay, so the property, what is the property a resistance has? So that is called resistance. So what is the main purpose of resistor? Why we are using the resistor? Means we can say that it will limit the current. It will limit the current, or simply we can say that it will oppose the current. It will oppose current flowing through it. Okay, so that is the property of the resistor. So that is called resistance. So we may have seen some different resistors in our labs. So this is one type of resistor. Which is having two terminals. So now we can see some color codes here. So there is a brown, black, red and gold. There are some color codes. How we can calculate the value of this resistor? So I will tell you how we can calculate this. There is a code for this. B Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. B Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. So now B stands for black and another B is for brown. This is for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, this is white. So this is the color code, how we have to take the values. So now it is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for first two colors, let us say these are the first two colors. For first two colors, we will take as it is. Whatever the number is there, we will take as it is. For the third color, we will take it as multiplier. 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2 and so on up to 10 power 9. So we will take like this. So now we will try to calculate the value of this resistor. Okay. So here you can see. So this will be the last color. Gold will be the last color because gold is not here, and we can say that there will be two colors which are not written here. That will be gold and silver. Okay. Gold is plus or minus 5% and silver is plus or minus 10%. So what it is? It is called tolerance. I'll tell you what is tolerance. So first think that if there is gold or silver, then that is the last color. So that means this is the last color and we have to start from here. So if you want to start from here, so what is the first color? So first color, maybe you may not see clearly, but I'll write here. So this one is, first one is brown, second one is black, second one is black, third one is red, and fourth one is gold. So this is the colors what we see on the resistor. So how we have to calculate the values? How we can calculate the values? For brown we can take it as 1, as mentioned here. For brown it is 1. For black it is 0, as it is mentioned here. And for red it is 2, right? BB Roy. For red it is 2. But here you have to take it as multiplier, that is 10 power 2. I told you gold will be the plus or minus 5%. So this is the thing. For gold we will take plus or minus 5%. So what is the final value of this? This will be 1000 plus or minus 5%. So this can be said as 1 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. So 1 kilo ohm. The value of the resistance is 1 kilo ohm. What is this plus or minus 5% means? That is called tolerance. What is this tolerance means? Depending on time or depending on temperature, the value of the resistance can be changed. Depending on the time or depending on the temperature, the value of the resistance can be changed. So that will be, for gold it will be plus or minus 5%, for silver it will be plus or minus 10%. So now we will check whether this resistor is having the exact value or not. So now we are checking with the multimeter. So you know that, right? So multimeter, this is multimeter, and these are the two terminals. So now we have connected to this voltage, and here you can see the ohm symbol. So this is common. So now I am switching on this multimeter and I am placing near the ohm. So we have to calculate the resistance. So now I am connecting this to the two terminals of the resistor. So I can see that 0.97 or 979 kilo ohm. That means it is approximately 1 kilo ohm, right? So we have calculated perfect. So now you can see some other resistors also, like this one and this one in your labs. This is called a potentiometer. This is also called a potentiometer. In next classes I will tell you about these potentiometers, how we can calculate the value practically by using the multimeter. Okay, this is about a resistor for this class, and we will see in next classes about the potentiometer. Thank you. Please subscribe and share